Good day everyone, my name is Hans Gali, your presenter for the day. What is topic for our discussion? Environmental Management System. What is Environmental Management System or EMS? An Environmental Management System or EMS is a structured approach for organization to identify, manage, and reduce their environmental impact, promoting continuous improvements and reducing compliance with environmental regulation. The purpose of environmental management system. An environmental management system is a framework to help organizations monitor, control, and improve their environmental performance. It helps organizations identify, manage, and control their environmental performance holistically, involving risk assessment, control, and strengthening to reduce environmental impact. EMS consider all relevant environmental issues, including resources use, energy and water consumption, water generation, carbon emission, and local biodiversity. What is iOS 14001 of 2015 and it's relevant to EMS? International Organization for Standardization ISO 14001 of 2015 is a certification of aims to provide the organization a structure for EMS to ensure that all operation processes are consistent, effective, and will achieve its environmental objective. It's the DNR implementing the EMS. Yes, in fact, in December 2015, the DNR became the first government agency in the country to be certified under the version of ISO 14001 of 2015. In December 2018, the agency was recertificated, audited, and awarded with the certificate note PH16-1341, valid until January 27, 2022. Why are we implementing EMS? Through its mandate, DNR implement EMS. Ensure the process and activities are in accordance with the good environmental management consistent with the ISO 14001 of 2015. Become a role model and influence other government agency and private sector to practice sound environmental performance in their office. Be more efficient and practice health regulation. What are the DNR corporate environmental objectives? Reduce energy consumption, reduce workplace accident and promote health and wellness. Reduce hazardous waste disposal, reduce water pollution, regulate water usage, reduce emission of DNR and that of its employee. Personal vehicle, reduce fuel usage, and comply with the environmental legal law. What are the benefit and advantage of EMS? Through EMS, environmental aspect can be controlled, which lead to prevention of environmental liability, improvement of environmental performance, provision of assurance to stakeholder, low environmental risk, favorable experience in quality management system, and competitive advantage. Example, Yamaha Corporation. The Yamaha Group was created a system from promoting global environmental prevention activity that is overseen by the individual responsible for environmental issue at Yamaha Corporation. Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000 RA 9003. This law aims to adopt systematic, comprehensive, ecological solid waste management program to ensure the protection of public health and their environment. Environmental Management Plan, EMP. The Environmental Management Plan is a comprehensive plan outlined in accordance with ADB SPS 2009, outlining mitigation, measuring project responsibilities, budget, techniques training, public consultation, and GRM. Environmental Management System, EMS, is construction companies. A computer system is required to aid in the storage, retrieval, and updating of relevant documents. The ISO 14001 of 2015 Environmental Management System standard was adopted to retrieve, create, modify, and update environmental documents and records into EMS. EMS implementation. Implemented EMS based on the ISO 14001 in all bolting plants, focus in sustainable water management from sourcing to wastewater treatment. Set environmental performance indicators and conducted regular audit result. Achieved 20% reduction in water use per liter of beverage product. Over 90% of manufacturing water was recycled or reused. Strengthening partnership with the local communities and NGOs on water conservation project. Takeaway, environmental management can improve the use efficient and quality. Conclusion, an environmental management system is a systematic approach for organizations to manage their environmental responsibility, minimizing adverse effect, ensuring regulator compliance, and promoting sustainable behavior. Adopting EMS, particular under ISO 14001 standard, is crucial for sustainable future. That's all for our report. Thank you, everyone.